In this video, I am going to show you how to use Lidl Plus app in the store. So the Lidl Plus app is basically a free reward app that lets you access exclusive offers. So all you need to do basically is before entering the checkouts, open the Lidl Plus app and sign in into your account. And of course, if this is your first time using the app, make sure that you already completed the registration process. So you can either, as an example, browse through the available offers on your phone. For example, if you find any offer like less hanging up on the store or something like that. And of course, depending on your country, you may see some member exclusive prices, personalized coupons, and reward points. Also, some weekly promotions. Some offers apply automatically when you scan your Lidl Plus card, while others may need to be activated before the checkout. So you'll find also your progress on your phone in the home. You'll find example some coupons that you're eligible to once you buy more and more with EU Plus. Also, you can go, example, to the store, pick up the product that you'd like to buy. If you're purchasing items included in Lidl Plus offers, verify that you're activated or that you've activated any required coupons before we head into the checkouts. Now, once you reach the register, all you need to do, go and open your Lidl Plus card app, as an example, presents the QR code for the cashier to scan, or if you're doing your self-service, make sure to scan it. In some supported region, you can basically enter your registered phone number instead of scanning the application. After your Lidl Plus account has been recognized, you can complete your payments using your preferred payments method if for any other additional payments. And eligible discounts, rewards, and member pricing will be applied according to the available offers on your account. Once your purchase is completed, you can open the Lidl application and go to your purchase history or receipt section, and you'll be able to review your digital receipts for eligible transactions. Printed receipts may be also available depending on your settings and region. So that's how you basically use the Lidl app or Lidl Plus app in store. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and goodbye.